All right, good morning, everybody. It's Carter here from Restorations Pro. This morning, we're going to go over something that I feel as if a lot of people in East Tennessee don't really take full advantage of, and that is a go bag. Recently, we've been having a lot of wildfires. A few months back, we had, well, here in Southeast Tennessee, we had a massive downpour. Caused a bunch of flooding and different things. And what are you going to do if these things, take your house away? Like, what if your house gets on fire and starts burning? You can't spend an hour or two figuring out what stuff you're going to need. It can, endanger your life, endanger somebody else's life, and that's no way to live. So, I'm going to go over what's in my go bag right here. This bag, if I can get it in frame, got it from Walmart. It's just a little, it's called Outdoor Products. Just a very cheap bag. That's what I'm trying to bring out. Doesn't have to be expensive, this go bag or anything like that. It just has to be practical. I'm still working on my go bag as well, but I'm better off than someone that doesn't have it. First thing I want to bring out, the 4-function whistle. So this whistle has a thermometer, a magnifier glass, a compass, and most importantly, I think, is the whistle. The whistle and the compass is definitely the most important instruments on this. But reason to have it, if you're in an area and someone's going out to rescue you, just to alert them that you're there, whistle's great to have. Truthfully, the most important thing in this bag is your med kit. Got this at Walmart. It's already a prearranged med kit. I think I found it in the hunting section. Inside you have cold compress, a bunch of gauze of different sizes. You've got different burn creams in here, Band-Aids. Let's see. Bobby pins. Never know when you can use those. Cotton swabs. Just a plethora of stuff. I even think that you have a temporary blanket in here as well. So very good to have. Now I can't get it back. That's all right. I'll put it back in a second. Another thing that is very imperative to have: waterproof matches. We have a burn ban here in East Tennessee, or well, in our county at least, and in a lot of different counties. But still very important to have these in hand in your bag, because if the emergency arises, whether to combat the cold or have purified water, matches are where it's at. You need matches. Just use them very wisely so you don't burn down the forest. Another important thing, keeping clean. I've got the Irish Spring 5-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash, and a deodorizer. Truthfully, this helps, keep infection out. If you're clean and if you get a wound or something like that, it's way better than if you're dirty and have mud all over you and everything. 2, it helps, everyone that's with you like you a lot better. And I got the 5-in-1 as well. I wouldn't use this on a regular basis for myself, but I got the 5-in-1 so I don't have to have 5 different bottles to carry around. Very compact, very nice to have. Let's see what else we have here. Toothbrush, other toiletries and different things like that. Toilet paper, you might need toilet paper. might have a small garden spade with you, so you can do your business. Also a water purifier as well. The matches are there, they're great, but if you don't have to use that and you can use a life straw, that'd be perfect. Way better to have that. Another thing I have is a little book. Something to keep your mind off of the situation, or just keep morale up. Got another tiny med pack here. One thing else that I have for myself is a mess kit. You've got the spoon, you've got the fork, you've got the plate that's enclosable. Dishwasher safe. Very nice to have. You got the expandable water bottle, so that if you do have purified water, you can put it in here, store it for a bit, so you don't have to continually boil water to help yourself in the situation. And hopefully, you don't even have to use many of these. This is kind of like a, if the whole grid goes down, kind of a parent thing. Hopefully you just, if your house burns down or something, you can go to a friend's house. But you never know. Forest fire can come up. We live right in the mountains. A big flood could come right up and just, destroy your property. Anything can happen. Everything's unexpected. I know we don't live on the coast, but think about the people then, New Orleans and southern Mississippi dealing with Katrina. We don't deal with hurricanes, but we can deal with tornadoes and other things that could really mess up our lives. So if everyone had a go bag in New Orleans and Louisiana, Mississippi, they would have a lot more people would have been better off. Another few things on here that the government actually recommends, and I'll post this in the description of the YouTube video and also in the Facebook post as well, if I can get my computer started. Well, in the meantime, I kind of memorized what's on there. Documentation, dental records, anything that's really important that you might lose. You might want to keep in a folder or something like that in your bag. Let's see here. Marriage certificate. Prescriptions, medications, having an extra, I don't know, it'd be good to have like a month's supply. Not even a month. You can just get like a little baggie, or put like a week, at least a week's worth. That would be really good to have. And update that regularly because you don't want your medication to expire. Some cash as well inside of your go bag. Very good. Glasses and contacts if you have that. Let's see, some snacks. I know at Walmart they sell rations that you can actually buy. I tried one out the other day. Well, not the other day, but I tried one out and it was actually not that bad. I wouldn't eat it on the regular, but times of need, it's pretty good. Make sure to have a flashlight, LED flashlight, that'd be really good. Emergency phone numbers, another really important thing. Maybe even a radio, so if you can't get cell service anywhere or where you guys live, radio would be good so you can have at least some outside communication. Driver's license. Some other things on here. Passport. All these, very important documents you want to keep in a safe place that you can just grab. At least have them right next to your bag so you know where they're at. So if a situation does happen, grab your bag and go. Because spending a few extra minutes in a house that's burning or a flood is happening, it could mean your life, it could mean your family's life. So if you don't want to be a burden to anybody else, and if you want to save yourself and save others in your party, make sure to have a go bag. The article for the U.S. Department of State will be in the description below. I recommend everyone reading that. And I really hope you all stay safe out there. So, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.